Today is an important day. Today is a historical day of Uyghur and the Kazakh people. As you know, today is around 3 million Uyghurs and Kazakh other Turkish people are suffering in 21st century concentration camp. Today, Uyghur Tribunal, international and independent body, judgment and a Chinese crime against Uyghur is a genocide and crime against humanity. So that's why we are coming together here, gathering. We give our appeal to the Chinese government, stop the Uyghur genocide.
Today's decision is something that we have been saying all along. Our organization, Campaign for Uyghurs, released a genocide report in July 2020. We have been calling this a genocide. So this was an affirmation, and we did meet the burden of proof. The experts and witnesses did amazing job. And now it's up to the international communities to take this result and hold this evil regime accountable. To me, this is extremely personal because my own sister is being a victim of this genocide. I was being very vocal and speaking about China's genocidal crimes. 6 days after my first public speech, they detained my sister, a retired medical doctor, as a retaliation for my activism in America as an American citizen. It's more than 3 years now. That's more than 40 months. We have absolutely no information on my sister's whereabouts. So I'm here to tell the world that this genocidal regime is not worth for anybody to engage as a legitimate government, and has no right to host International Olympic Games. And every person needs to stand up and hold this barbaric regime accountable.
The People's Republic of China has effected a deliberate, systematic and concerted policy with the objectives of so-called optimizing of the population of Xinjiang by means of a long-term reduction of Uyghurs and other ethnic minorities population through limiting and reducing Uyghurs' birth. As such, Jeffrey Nice added, the tribunal is satisfied beyond reasonable doubt that the PRC, by the imposition of measures to prevent birth intended to destroy a significant part of Uyghurs in Xinjiang, as such has committed genocide.
Khaliola Tursun, Kazakh, 72 years old, retired cadre and legal consultant. He most likely died in prison in December 2020. Nurqazi Malik, Kazakh, 51 to 52 years old, Juz Imam. He most likely died in a detention camp November 2018. Muhammad Salih, Uyghur, 84 to 85 years old, religious scholar. He was the first religious scholar to have translated the Quran into Uyghur language in 1986.